Hi, my name's Angela. I'm a mom of two. I'm 45 years old, recently married in the last year, and I'm here with Paul today to share with you a little bit about what's been going on with this new lifestyle of eating. So life before eating in this new way of eating was finding myself with indigestion issues up through the night, just more about bloating and fatigue, and just at a loss of kind of where my health was going for the last few years. I gained about 10, 12 pounds that I've never had issues with gaining weight, so I knew there was something that I knew I had to change. Okay, so my husband Matt, he's been wanting to lose about 25 to 30 pounds for the last couple years. And so he came home, explained to me he had done this program, different way of eating and so forth. And as he explained to me, of course, I'm just not a person of doing diets. I just don't believe in them. And the first thing that came up is like, I'm not doing a diet. I'm willing to be here for you and support you, but I'm not doing a diet. And he's like, I need you to talk to Paul and let him explain it to you. So that was my biggest thing, is I won't do a diet. And I came to Paul, and it was a completely different perception that he showed me. So I was able to experience a whole different way of eating rather than a diet. It's just a simplified lifestyle of eating. Oh, a world of difference. I mean, basically they were in awe, you know, they see how much I've changed just in these last like 6 months, and just my mom almost in tears and seeing how well I'm doing, and you know how great I look. She's like, honey, you look amazing. Several times, like she said, you look so good. You look so healthy. You look amazing. Like, you're so fitting. And even my son, you know, he's proud of me. He even told me, I'm proud of you, Mom. You look so good. Like no mom at 45 looks so healthy and so great and so young. Like, you act young, you look young and stuff. And he's always a great supporter, that's for sure. But you know, that is one thing he makes clear, is just, you know, I wouldn't be who I am if it wasn't for you. You know, I wouldn't be the person I am if it wasn't for what you've shown me, for what, you know, who you are.
You're being an amazing role model.
Yeah. Which is, I mean, that's like my biggest thing, is being my best version of myself, so my kids can experience it. Because I want them to, you know, I want them to have the best part of me and stuff. And I want to be, like, when I think about it, it's like, I want to be running around grandma, you know. It's like, I want to be, when they have kids in 10 years or so, long time from now, I want to still be vibrant. Like, I want to be able to be running around playing with their kids, and being able to pick them up and not be ailing because I'm in pain for some reason. I want to be healthy, and I'm excited about that, you know, and to hear my kids be proud of me. I think that's like the biggest thing, is I want my kids to be honored and proud and respect me, like, you know. I think that's probably the only people I care about, who I think about me, is my children, you know. I've grown out of the caring about so much about what other people think, you know, but it's definitely my kids. And they, you know, they look up to me, and they respect the great life, you know, and they value it, and they're becoming great men. It makes me happy. And to have my parents, you know, to say, you know, you look great, that's a big deal. Because we're always looking for our parents' approval. It just, no matter what, we want to admit it or not. I mean, underlyingly we are. We want to be known that we did a good job, see? You know, so it felt good. It felt really good.